Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to download and install the Simple Voice Chat mod for Minecraft. First, open Chrome and search for Simple Voice Chat. Type it in. Hit enter and click the first link. Click Files and choose the mod for your Minecraft version. For 1.2, 1.8, we can download from Fabric or Forge. Forge used to be more popular. It was before. Now I see more people using Fabric, so let's download Fabric. Go to Fabric and click Download. Click Download here since I don't have the app. Also, search for Fabric Minecraft. Go here. Click Download. Click Download for Windows. Now Simple Voice Chat is downloading. Next, open Fabric. We need version 1, 21.8. Click Install, then open Minecraft Launcher. If you don't have the launcher, open Run. Type %appdata%. Click OK. Click Minecraft Mods and move Simple Voice Chat here. You can delete the rest. Just move Simple Chat here. That's how we move it. There. In Minecraft, select Fabric 1, 21.8 and click Installations. To find the folder easily, select Fabric and click Folder. Choose Mods and move our mod here. Then launch Minecraft and you're ready to play. Simple Voice Chat. Bye everyone.